What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So New Mobile sent me out two of their latest devices for 2022, which is the New Mobile B10 and the New Mobile B15. So I've already made a video of the New Mobile B10. I will leave that link down in the description below if you want to check that out. But I have the higher end device, which is the B15. So this device right here is the one we're going to talk about today. So let's have some fun. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I have the New Mobile latest device for 2022, which is the New Mobile B15. So let's go ahead and talk about what you get in the box. First, looking at the box, New Mobile has always gave you a good presentation, and that's no exception here. The box showcased the device very well with detailed device information and a great photo. So New Mobile does a very good job on their packaging here. So when opening up the box, again, you get a fantastic unboxing experience. At the top, you're greeted to the device itself, also with a glass screen protector and a TPU case. Next, you get New Mobile stickers. Again, they like to take pride in their devices. Next, you get a charging cable and a power brick. And this power brick right here is a fast charging power brick. Lastly, you get a SIM removal tool and a quick start guide. So New Mobile gives you a complete setup, and you could get all of this for $210. Let me repeat that. All that I just said, you could get it for $210, which is extraordinary. I will leave all product links down in the description below. Okay, so let's talk about the specs here. The New Mobile B15 has a 6.7-inch 1080p IPS 90Hz display. Let me repeat that. This device has a 90Hz display. It has the MT Helio G88 processor with 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. You get SD card support. Not only that, but you get dual SIM support and SD card support on the same tray. On the rear, you got a quad camera setup, which consists of a 48 megapixel standard with autofocus. You got a 5 megapixel wide, a 2 megapixel macro camera, and a 2 megapixel depth of field camera on here. And then in front, you got an 8 megapixel camera. So as far as video, the New Mobile B15 can shoot up to 1080p 30 frames per second. And powering this device, you have a 5,000 milliamp battery. And just so you know, that this is a 4G LTE phone that works on GSM, WCDMA, and LTE. And lastly, this device has Face ID. So once again, the cost of this phone, with all that I just said, costs $210. Now keep that in mind. So let's talk about the build quality here. It's a beautiful, sleek design that has iPhone 13 characteristics. It's built with all glass and plastic with a glossy black finish on the back right here. That's a fingerprint magnet, but it feels really good in the hand. Now in the front, you do have a 1080p 90Hz display, which is really good and vibrant. Look, you got the camera arrays is in the center of the phone. This phone has an 84% body to screen ratio, so you do have a bit of a large bezel here at the bottom. So the quality of the display is nice at this price point. You do get vibrant colors and deep blacks, and it does get nice and bright for outdoor visibility, which was surprising to me at this price point. So let's go over the device. On the right side here, you got a volume button, a power button that does as a fingerprint scanner. On the right side, you do have a SIM slot, right? At the bottom, you have a single speaker setup here, a mic, and a headphone jack. Let me repeat. This device has a headphone jack. And at the top, all the thing you have at the top is a mic. And again, I keep talking about this. This phone costs $210. I will leave links down in the description below. So let's talk about performance and some of my concerns. The New Mobile is using the MT G88 processor, which is the more of a gaming processor, right? It's a mid-range processor, but it's a higher up processor, which is not bad for medium to light duty, right? But playing games was okay. I had a very nice experience with a few slowdowns and hiccups here, right? Now, the experience was overall good, but one thing that I noticed when I was playing games on this device and doing some heavy tasks, this phone does get a little warm. Not only that, it gets a little hot, which was strange to me because when testing the new mobile B10 playing games, it get warm, but not hot. So I'm not sure why this device right here was getting extremely hot when I was playing games and doing some heavy tasks. Hopefully new mobile will send out a update to fix this. I will do a follow-up video to let you know if it's been fixed. One thing that I do want to mention when playing games and watching videos, that the bottom firing speaker does get loud and it's very clear. Let me show you guys and let you listen to this in action along with the B10 so you can hear this device. So check this out. Okay, so let's talk about these cameras. We have a full camera setup here, and one thing is strange when I had using this device. Now, when I reviewed the new mobile B10 in the camera app, there's a 48 megapixel option in the camera app. Unfortunately, this device does not have that option there, but it does have professional mode, which is manual mode, which you can set all your settings like ISO and white balance. It also have night mode, portrait shots, slow mode, macro shots, and more. It has a bunch of features in the camera app, which is really nice compared to the B10. Let me show you some footage with this camera array and let you be the judge for yourself. So check this out.
The Chosen.
So here's my conclusion. Having the new mobile B15 for a few days, my first impressions of this device is that for $210, you get a lot of value for what you get. You get a fully loaded unboxing experience with screen protectors, cases, and a power brick, and that's really good. It does have fast charging, which is nice. You get dual SIM support with SD card support, which is really good. Now it's a 4G LTE device, right? Which you have to take that into account. This device has a headphone jack with a nice design. The thing that concerns me about this device is when playing games and using medium applications, this device does run warm to hot. Hopefully a software update will fix that. Having this device with a high refresh rate, it needs a little more optimization. As far as battery life, 5,000 milliamp battery here. The few days I've been having this device, I've been having very good battery life, but I do have further testing to do with the new mobile B15. Now, you be the judge for yourself whether or not you like the design, the cameras, and everything else in between. Also, with a high refresh rate, everything feels silky smooth using this device. And look, for 210 bucks, you finally get a device with a high refresh rate, which is extraordinary. Look, I got further testing to do with the B15, so stay tuned and subscribe. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the B15 fingerprint magnet looking like an iPhone 13 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.